Hey everybody, I just want to talk more about risks and of development, and the questions I was being asked is about what's better, renos or subdivision. I like them both. So in terms of renovations, like I said before with risks, there's a whole heap of sales risks and engineering and council risk and construction. The bulk of the risk in renovations all around the construction. You've got a lot of moving parts, it's a very quick process, and you've got tradies. The tradies is where you might have problems because they're busy, they go to other sites, you might have committed tradies, they might show up. That's one of them. It's very difficult to find them when the market's really hot and everybody's busy working. The other thing is finding things in the walls like termites and damage that you mightn't expected. That's another one. Sales risk isn't that great with renovation because you generally, if it's a quick renovation, of course, if it's just cosmetic like what we do, we're in and out in more or less the same market. Not always. Sometimes the market can change in 2-3 months and drop a fair bit of money there, but it doesn't happen regularly. So that's the renovation downsides. You have to be on site a lot to supervise the tradies. You have to be there to make the decisions because it changes quite regularly, and you need to line all the tradies up in a row, and if one guy doesn't show up or he finds a problem and it'll take him longer to complete his task, then it's going to hold everybody else up. So it's a very, very tight managed process. The problems, all the downside to renovations. I hope that helps.